Exercise 1.12. Let's keep exploring the functions of copy method. Let's enlarge this worksheet so we can have a clear view. And first, we type in some basic data in the cell B1, B2, and F4, F5. So 35, 24, and F4 I have 27, and F5 I have 18. So this exercise wants to illustrate the relative reference. So that means if we have a function here, say B1 plus B2, and if we copy the function from B3, say copy to F6, the formula should follow. But the formula will not refer back to B1 and B2, but refer to F4 and F5. The reason is the function is under those two inputs. And if we just copy it directly, the inputs will be relatively moved with the function. So F4 and F5 will be added together. Let's see if that's the truth. Okay, we paste it here. Again, we use the normal paste function, not the other. For example, this one, if you choose to use this one, then the function will be gone. Only the value will stay. So we choose the normal paste. Here you see 45 is equal to F4 plus F5. Yes. That is a relative cell reference. I hope you got it. This is exercise 1.12, and I will see you in the next video.